Hey girlies! Finally, I got Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. I got 3 shades, but for today's video, I'll try their Coffee Date shades. This Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint is a long-lasting lip tint that offers a blurred matte finish. Actually, I'm not a fan of a dark lipstick, but look, nung in-apply ko na siya sa lips ko, ang ganda! Perfect tong shade na to para sa mga party goer or may mga date night, kaya kung gusto nyo ng mga pangmalakasan, try nyo na ang Coffee Date ng Maybelline Teddy Tint. Very lightweight, comfortable, and very hydrating. It lasts for hours without smudging and transferring. Finally, I got my new favorite shade from Maybelline. Thank you so much! Check my yellow basket! Hey girlies! For today's video, itry ko naman ang kanilang shade na Kitten Hill ng Maybelline New York Superstay Teddy. I super love these shades because I'm a fan of a nude and very natural shade when it comes to lipstick. I highly recommend this shade para sa mga gusto ng natural lang ang atake. And of course, for your daily use na din. Like me as a mom, pero still look gorgeous. Etong video to, ito yung kuha ko ng back cam. I don't know, parang it's a little bit dark, but I'll show you the front cam. This is it. Feeling ko sa flash lang yun, kaya mukha siyang dark. Pero ito talaga yung natural niyang look. As in, very natural, but very beautiful. Super I like this product ng Maybelline Teddy Tint. Aside sa long wearing, very soft din niya sa lips after mo i-apply. Feeling ko napaka-healthy ng lips ko dito sa Teddy Tint ng Maybelline New York. I really love this product, lalo na itong Kitten Hill ng Maybelline New York Teddy Tint. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng natural lang pero grabe ang atake, try nyo na itong Kitten Hill ng Maybelline New York. Thank you! Check the yellow basket! Hey girlies! It's me again! For today's video, itatry ko naman ang kanilang Velvet Choker. This Velvet Choker has a reddish shade. So, I highly recommend this shade para sa mga party goer dyan. Super lakas sexy ng shades na to. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, it's very gentle, may blurred matte finish pa, and giving a natural healthy flush to the lips. This is super lightweight, parang wala ka talagang in-apply. And of course, this tint designed to stay put for hours even through eating and drinking. So what are you waiting for? Try nyo na ang Maybelline New York Teddy Tint Superstay. Meron silang 14 shades na pwede nyo pagpilian. Check my yellow basket. Thank you!